It is official, PriceSmart Portmore is now open to the public. This new branch is the company's 50th club across the world and the second location in Jamaica. The ceremony, which was held on location, saw the attendance of the Mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, Senator Don Webby, CEO of Grace Kennedy, and CEO of PriceSmart Incorporated, Sherry Barambegi, to name a few. When asked how the company managed this expansion after the economic problems experienced during the pandemic, PriceSmart CEO had this to say.
With some faith and confidence and tenacity, just like the people of Jamaica. I think this was a worldwide experience, and those who stayed true to their core values and remained optimistic about the future and the human spirit were able to come together and make good things happen. And I think those people who stayed the course have done well. So we're very excited about being here in Portmore. We know that Jamaica had its own stages of challenges with tourism and circulation being severely cut back, but again, because of perseverance, hard work, and optimism, we see a booming environment once again. So we're very happy to be partners with you in this experience.
She also said that the decision to create a new branch in Portmore was not only made through evaluation, but also because of the need of the people.
We're always evaluating different areas, not just in Jamaica, but throughout our entire company. And we felt there was definitely a need here. Kingston has had a lot of pressure in terms of the number of members that would go through, and we really want the members to have an excellent experience, and we felt that there's a need here, and we identified a property. So there are a lot of factors that go into getting a new site and expanding to a new location, including the right opportunity and the right location.
180 direct jobs. That's how many employees PriceSmart is set to welcome with the opening of its Portmore store in Jamaica and its 50th worldwide. Minister of State in the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Alando Terrelong, spoke on behalf of Prime Minister Andrew Holness. Minister Terrelong says PriceSmart's investment in Portmore adds to the indications that Jamaica is on its way to a post-pandemic recovery.
If you want a quick check on the pulse of a nation, on the pulse of its economy, instead of trolling through endless pages of financial reports, just look at how many building sites are going up around you. How many cranes and scaffolds can you see? How many ready-mix structures can you see? If we are not building, it is a sure sign that we are stagnating. Ladies and gentlemen, Portmore pulse is ticking. The city's heart is beating in time. Portmore is alive and poised to thrive.
Mayor of Portmore, Leon Thomas, welcomed PriceSmart and notes its record of corporate responsibility.
I look forward to partnering with you for our municipality events, and we continue to strive to make our residents more comfortable on Portmore.
CEO of PriceSmart, Sherry Barambegi, says the success of the first location in Kingston spurred the idea that a second location was needed.
And they proved to us that Jamaica has a lot more potential and opportunity for us, and we can give opportunity to the people of Jamaica.